Hey YouTubers, welcome to my channel, and this is just a quick video to give you an update on the status of my Porsche 911. It's not good news, it's broken again. So as you probably can see, empty garage, car is not here, it's back in the garage being fixed. If you watched my last video, which was the 0 to 60 attempt, you probably saw the figures that came out of that, and I actually got worse figures as I tried sports mode, as I tried manual sports mode, and I couldn't understand that, and some of the comments have also said, we can't understand that. So let me tell you what happened after I'd finished the 0 to 60 attempt. I pulled over down the road where you saw me doing the 0 to 60 attempts on, and I decided to pack a little bit of equipment away. Once I'd done that, I then set off home in the car, and I couldn't believe it. It's like the engine had lost half of its cylinders. It was awful. I was putting the foot down, it was doing about 20 miles an hour, maybe get to 30, maybe 40 if I was lucky, but it was taking ages just to get moving. I couldn't believe that I'm in the same position again, broken car again. So I managed to limp it back to my local garage for hopefully a mechanic to take a look at it. Nobody was available at that time, it was the end of the day. So I handed the key over and I was going to get somebody to look at it the next day. So the next day came, which was yesterday, and the garage rang me and told me the bad news. Apparently my catalytic converter had collapsed inside. Therefore, when that happens, it actually restricts the engine breathing on one side, so 3 cylinders. So I was kind of right. What had happened is I'd lost 3 of the 6 cylinders, and therefore I was getting hardly any power whatsoever in the car. So the garage did some digging for me, and they contacted Porsche, and a replacement catalytic converter for that car is £2,000. So the mechanic basically said to me, if I was you, I'd go for a second-hand one, but do not go with aftermarket's non-Porsche catalytic converters, because they are just not as good as the proper one. So I went on eBay, I had a good look around, and I found one. I found one garage down south that was actually selling a catalytic converter, which is the exact one that I need. He had it up for £520. I made him an offer of £400. He accepted my offer, and that is now on the way to me as we speak, probably due here in 3 or 4 days. So hopefully I'll get the car back within a week if the garage can fit it straight away. But that brings me back to why the car didn't do the 0 to 60 in a decent time when it was in sports mode. We're off. That's better. So what the garage told me was, when I had the bose score issue for the engine rebuild, I'd been getting water and oil into the cylinder, which would have ended up going out into the exhaust valve through the exhaust and impacting on the catalytic converter on that side, because it was just that side that has been affected. So they think that has led to the degradation of the catalytic converter and the collapsing of that converter, which has blocked the pipe basically, because it's just a mess inside the pipe now, and that has stopped the car working. Now I'm thinking that when I was doing my drag attempts, oh Jesus, that was starting to break down, starting to block the exhaust, therefore not giving the car the full breathing capabilities that it needs to exhaust all the gases out to give me the potential of a good 0 to 60. So I'm pretty sure that's why I got the bad 0 to 60 results. To prove that, when I get the car back, I'm going to go and do another 0 to 60. So stay tuned and watch out for that. Thanks for watching, guys. That was just a quick update. Don't forget to subscribe and give me the thumbs up if you like that, and follow me on Instagram. And until next time, take care.